Hello students, let's start our next topic, that is Protoplasm Doctrine. In our previous class, we have completed till the cell theory, and now our topic is protoplasm. Dear students, we have discussed about the cell theory, and in that we have understand lots of term. Hope so you all have understand and revise it. Let's start protoplasm doctrine. First of all, here is a new term, that is protoplasm. To understand this term, what is protoplasm? Actually, protoplasm, the entire content of a cell. Let's understand by the help of notes, uh, with a diagram. There is a structure of cell. This is a cell, and in this cell there is a liquid, there is a fluid, we can say, or we can also say that there is a matrix. It's also known as matrix. This is actually a liquid called protoplasm. What we say it? Protoplasm. This protoplasm has a chemical nature, means if this protoplasm will not be there, then cell is not alive, cell is dead. Means we can say that protoplasm is the living material of the cell. Without protoplasm, a cell is dead. Understand, students? The entire content of a cell comprising the nucleus and the cytoplasm is a semi-fluid. It is transparent substance which is the living matter of plant and animal cell. Now, the next term related to the protoplasm doctrine, that is cytoplasm. Cytoplasm, what is cytoplasm? We can also understand it with the help of the next diagram. Firstly, we will understand that the content of a cell, except for the nucleus, it includes cytosol, organelles, vesicles, and the cytoskeleton. This is known as cytoplasm. Let's understand with the help of diagram what is cytoplasm. If we observe that this is a cell, and in this there is a matrix, this is called protoplasm. There is a cell membrane, its outer covering. In this cell membrane there is also a type of fluid filled. This fluid is called cytoplasm. This fluid is called cytoplasm. Means between the cell membrane and nuclear membrane, this liquid is known as cytoplasm. Now, there is another term, that what is the function of protoplasm. So dear students, we will understand that it provide place where all the life function take place, cell to cell, and it is able to respond various stimuli. Due to this, cyclosis process will be take place. What is cyclosis? The circulation of protoplasm is called cyclosis. We can also define it like the streaming movement of protoplasm. The streaming movement of the protoplasm ensure even distribution of various material in the cells is called cyclosis. There is another term. We will understand this term with the help of notes, with diagram. That is, I have discussed there two part. First is protoplasm, second is cytoplasm, and there is a third part, that is nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. What is nucleoplasm? If this is a cell, it is a cell membrane And inside a cell there is another structure, it is known as nucleus. We will discuss it in our entire class, that what is nucleus and all. This nucleus is also contain a type of living matter. Actually that matter is the part of the protoplasm, right? This protoplasm inside the nucleus is known as nucleoplasm. Means we have got 3 points: protoplasm, first point is protoplasm, second point is cytoplasm, third point is nucleoplasm. So the complete component of inside this cell is called protoplasm. Between the two membrane, this the component is present is called cytoplasm, and in between the nucleus it is called nucleoplasm. Hope so these three terms got you got clear. Let's move to the next topic, that is the cell size, shape and composition. Firstly we will discuss about the shape of the cell. The shape and size of cell are in fact related to the function they perform. Cell size extremely small, microscopic, as we discussed in the starting, that without the help of microscope we cannot observe cell. So it is microscopic, and it's measured in micrometers, we can say mu m, mu microns, right? Most cell lie in the range of 1 by 10th to 1 by 1000th of millimeter. And if we discuss about the smallest cell of the living organism, that it is mycoplasma. Mycoplasma actually a bacteria. Its diameter is 0.1 micron. Its another name is PPLO. It is a very important full form. You have to learn its full form, that is PPLO. This PPLO, here it is PPLO. Its full form is pneumonia like organism. I have to write it here in the notes. Pleuro, 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 pneumonia, PNEUMONIA, pneumonia like organism, ORGANISM. This is the full form of PPLO, pleuropneumonia like organism. Write its spelling. It is already given in your book. You can also copy it from there. So, which is the smallest cell? It is PPLO. What is its diameter? 0.1 micron. If we talk about the longest cell, then longest cell in our body, human body, which is the longest cell in our body? It is nerve cell. Nerve cell, we can say it is related to our nervous system. It forms brain and all part of the nervous system. And if we talk about the largest cell, there is the difference, longest and largest. Longest cell is ostrich egg cell. What is its diameter? 117 to 135 mm. Its weight is about 2 kilogram. Ostrich egg. It is a single cell. Just think about the ostrich egg cell. If we come to the shape of a cell, then it may be spherical, oval, elliptical, spindle, cuboidal, polygonal, columnar, flat, plate-like, slipper-like and all. Means we cannot say that it has a fixed shape. It has various type of shapes. It is uh, many star shape also, right? Human sperm liver cell, cheek cell, fat cells, red blood cells, paramecium, amoeba, chlamydomonas, smooth muscle fibers, palisade leaf cells, stomata, epithelial cell, striated cells, xylem, phloem, nerve cell, onion cell. All the parts are contain a single cell. I have given you some structure also there. See about that. This is the amoeba. It has indefinite shape, means amoeba has no fixed shape. It can be whatever, it will be there, like that, it will be like that, it will be like that. It is amoeba. And its paramecium, here it is also a cell. This is a structure of nerve cell. This is a structure of stomata, it is also a cell. This is a muscular cells, muscles. What we have, our muscular system is made up of muscular cells. So in your book these diagrams are given fairly. You can also understand by the help of your book. Let's move to the next point, next topic, that is the structure of the red blood cell. We are understanding structure of cell na? So there is the structure of red blood cell.